Hey, how you guys doing over there at John Price Law Firm? I wanted to go ahead and take the time to show you guys real quick exactly what it is I do by comparing your website to one of their main competitors, and we'll show you exactly how to rank for the right things in Google so that you guys are getting found for not just your name, but for what you guys do. And that is you guys want to be more of a criminal defense lawyer in Charleston, SC. You can see that I'm looking at this in incognito mode, so that means that this is a non-biased computer coming from someone who has never searched or ever looked anybody up before. So this is exactly how I'm looking at it, and I'm going to just hop right in this at the end of the video. If you like what you hear and see and you want to give me a call, I will give my number. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is basically your content on the front page. So everything that I can highlight is what we consider content, and what Google's going to look at once it reaches your front page, and it's going to take a look and judge your site on what it's going to be ranked for. So basically, because you don't have at least 1,500 words on your front page, it looks like more like 150, maybe 200 words, it doesn't look like that you guys are going to be fully optimized. You need at least 1,500 words on your front page alone. Now, taking a look at your main competitor here, David Ayler, we can see that this guy doesn't have 1,500 words either on his front page, which tells me that he's not fully optimized either. So because of that, he's definitely not ranking to the top #1 spot, but he's definitely really a main competitor here. So taking a look here at criminal defense lawyer in Charleston, SC, we can see that David Ayler is #1 in what we call the map pack. The map pack is actually determined its ranking based off of multiple factors, but you guys actually don't have a listing here in actually Charleston, SC. Normally the common misconception is that you need an office, you need an address. So with us, what we do, we actually have the ability to Google verify your business wherever you like. So it doesn't just have to be in Charleston. You don't have to literally be placed in Charleston for us to verify your business in Charleston. We could verify it in Charleston, North Charleston, and Somerville, all these areas. So another factor here is not just where you're at, it's also your citations, your citation listing. So we see David Ayler is #1 right now, and I looked further down the list and I could see Urichi, you can see Uricho Criminal Defense Firm. So why are they #4 and why are they #1? Well, let's take a look. Citation tool I like to use called whitespark.ca. We can see Uricho Criminal Defense Firm has 38 citations, and David Ayler is looking at 104. The cool thing about this tool is we can come in here and we could take all this guy's citations. We can take a look at them and say, okay, well, we could submit your business to Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, David Ayler. We could submit to ForShare. All these areas we could submit your business to as well. Basically, after we submit, we can actually add another 50 to 100 citations on top of that to truly beat the competition and really solidify you guys as the #1 position here. Now, we actually have listings of over 450 different directories, so it would be no problem listing you guys #1 wherever you want to go, whether it be Somerville, North Charleston, or Charleston. So taking a look here and going further down the list, we can see that David Ayler is #3, like I said, for this actual search term. And that's mostly due to the fact he doesn't have enough content on his front page, and you see how his other pages are getting found. Now, taking a look here at this area, how do you rank in this area? Is actually with something called backlinks. Backlinks are when one website is linking back to your website. The more backlinks you have from relative websites, the more you're going to rank for the good keywords. So I have this tool called Ahrefs. We could see you have currently 1,700 backlinks coming from 146 different sites. So this is about 10 backlinks per site, which isn't too bad. At a certain point, once you start having too many backlinks from the same site, it starts to look spammy in Google's eyes. So you really want to make sure you keep that variation. 200 keywords is what you're ranking for, and you have 259 people on average every month coming to your site. You're paying for a lot of ads, it looks like, as well. which is not the greatest way of advertising. I would say SEO, what I'm offering you right now, is the best way to advertise and to truly solidify you guys as a authority here in Charleston. Coming down here, you can see the value of the backlinks you currently have. With your own due diligence, you can see that in the more red you have, the less quality these are, which is the less they do for you. So 1,500 backlinks in the very lowest quality you have, and then 178 of them in the next step up at 10 to 20. We can actually come in here and see exactly what it is you guys are ranking for as well. Most of the searches you're getting right now, once again, is for your own name, and where a majority of all your searches are coming from. Now taking a look here at David Ayler, we can see that he has 5,500 backlinks coming in. He lost 1,000 over the course of last month. He has over 1,000 people on average coming to his site every month, and he's ranking for 1,600 keywords. You can see here the value of the backlinks. He has 3,000 coming from 0 to 10, 2,300 10 to 20s, 21 2 to 3s, and 5 3 to 4s, and 1 4 to 5. See what I do over here with my sites. I'm able actually to take the money on paid every month and able to create these high quality backlinks with expired domains on a monthly basis. And this is what SEO I do over here. I make these high quality backlinks, make the content, make everything searchable. So we could take a look here and see that he gets searched for some pretty good stuff as well. Charleston, a car accident lawyer. Car accident lawyer. I mean, you saw exactly what he was being ranked for just a second ago. He's number 3 for criminal defense lawyer in Charleston. Gets over 100 searches a month on just that keyword alone. So once again, quick recap what we talked about. You need more content on your front page. You guys need more citations. I would say 150 will really solidify you as the #1 position in the Charleston area. And then also, you guys need backlinks. I saw you guys have 1,700. I mean, it's not too bad. But because these backlinks aren't really relative, it looks like, to what you guys do, and they aren't pointed at your inner pages, you guys aren't going to get found for a lot of keywords. So it's going to be not that great when the search engines and the Google is not going to look at you with the highest authority, and that's what you need. So hope you guys took this and you know learned something. If you want to take it away and kind of do this on your own, that's fine with me. But if you guys do want to sit down with me, you guys are right down the road from me. I live here in Somerville for a temporary amount of time, just with some family. So if you guys do want to meet me at my office, or I can come to your office, either way works for me. But hey, if you want to save yourself some time and money, you can give me a call, 407-978-7759. I work with Rocket Ship SEO. I'm actually one of the co-founders. So I know a lot about SEO and the effects it has. I worked with a lot of companies out there in Colorado Springs and Orlando, so I could definitely rank you guys, no problem. 407-978-7759. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I'll talk to you later.